Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Milat Hayom, word of the day is the word Zionist. So how did we got this word, and how do we say this and pronounce it in Hebrew? Zionist in Hebrew is, for a man, ציוני, 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 the sound of TsadI, tss. And for a woman, ציונית, ציונית, ציונית. The dot here, right? This is the gesh. It closes the syllable. ציוני, ציונית. So the word Zionist, ציוני, derives from the biblical name Zion, Tion, which is one of the names of Jerusalem, Yerushalayim. And this name, Tion, Zion, symbolizes Jerusalem and the historical and spiritual connection between the Jewish people and the state of Israel. The word Zion, Tion, appears more than 150 times in the Bible. And actually, when some guys that don't like Jews or hate Jews call us, you Zionist, and they think they shame us, no, it is a compliment. Like, hello? Well, no. That's life. So, we love Jerusalem, we love Zions, yeah. So, ציוני, ציון, ציונית. Actually, I am from Tel Aviv, and I really love Tel Aviv. And I think if someone that hates me would call me like, you Tel Aviv! Okay, so what? All right, you will find the links in the description box below, Niqqud, alphabet, whatever, you know the drill. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.